We are creating a few DIY bookmark ideas. First, we cut out a rectangle and some white paper. And now we're going to start drawing lines in black pen. We're doubling the lines. And we're going to color them in the middle, just like DNA. Add all the details that you want, such as dots. And now, using a spatula, we're going to spread two colors on top of it. We're using beige and pink. And underneath, we're using a third color as well. And spread it. Once you're done, use a pen to write down anything you want on top of it. You can use any style of calligraphy that you want. And mix the styles. And here's the first one. Next, we're going to start adding some paint on top of a white rectangle again. Add any colors that you want. We're using acrylic for this, and then using the spatula, we're going to spread the colors. We're then going to be using a black pen to create some little leaves and flowers. Cover the whole white bit. And again, using your favorite style of calligraphy, write down your words in the middle. And here's the result. Next, we're using a square and adding some colors as well. Still using acrylic paint for this. Use as many colors as you want and use the same technique of a spatula to spread the colors, creating this rainbow. Cut out your rectangle. And now, using a black pen, we're going to be doing a brick wall. Cover the whole white bit, add all the details, and write down your words on the colorful side. We're adding some shadows and highlights in white, and here's the result. Don't forget to add some ribbon at the top so you can hold your bookmark in place.